morning, students. Today we are going to see our grammar subject second topic, that is nouns and kinds of nouns. So without wasting any time, I am going to start the chapter. So nouns. What are the nouns? A noun is a word used as a name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. Last year we have also seen the noun. Okay, noun chapter. A noun is a word used as a name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. In other words, noun means name of anything. A noun can also describe an abstract idea. Since a noun names something, it is also called as naming word. In the lower classes, you have seen noun but as a naming word chapter. Okay, for naming anything means uh, you are in your hand. What is it? It is a mobile. So mobile is a name. Okay, so for giving name to mobile, it is a noun. Okay, the thing or the word noun is used for naming a person, place, animal, or thing. So mobile is a thing, so we name mobile. Okay, read the passage given below. Frederick, the king of Persia, one day rang the call bell and nobody answered. He then opened his door and found his servant fast asleep in a chair. He advanced toward him and was going to awaken him. Suddenly he saw a letter hanging out of his pocket. He gently took it out and read it. In it his mother had thanked her son for sending her a part of his wages to help her in misery and hardship. She had finished by telling him that God would reward him for his dutiful affection for her. The king's eyes were moist with tears. He softly went back to his chamber and took a bag of coins and slipped with the letter into the servant's pocket. In the above passage, all the words in the bold types are nouns. For example, as you can see in the passage, some words are in bold font. Okay. For example, Frederick, Persuade, door, servant, bell, letter, pocket. So what are these? A person. What are the person name? Frederick. And a king. King is also a person. Servant is also a person. Mother is also a person. Son is also a person. And as we consider God is also a name of person. We can say that we imagine a God in as in a person. Okay, someone is there who is helping us all the time, and that is a God. But someone, if we say someone, we consider as a person. So God is also a person we consider in this passage. A place, Persua, and chamber means the king's room or king's chamber. Okay, king's place to stay, and Persua is the name of the place. A thing. What are the things in this passage? Bell, door, pocket, wages, bag, coins, tears, eyes, and letter. An abstract idea. And what is the fourth thing? An abstract idea. That is misery, hardship, and affection. We can say the love, the affection, the emotions for someone, or we can say the happiness, sadness, every emotion, that is an abstract idea. So what are the nouns? Nouns are the name of the person. For example, Frederick, king, servant, mother, son. Or a place, Persua, chamber. Thing, bell, door, pocket, wages, bag, coins, tears, eyes, letter. Or an abstract idea. Abstract idea means misery, hardship, affection. These are the abstract idea. So exercise number 2.1, you have to classify the given nouns into list them in the columns given below. These are the words, following are the some words, and you have to classify them. आपको अलग अलग करना है. नेम क्या क्या होंगे उसमें से, प्लेस के नेम कौन से होंगे, एनिमल्स के नेम कौन से होंगे, और भी दो है, तो आपको ये होमवर्क में सॉल्व करना है. फॉर एग्जांपल के लिए मैंने यहाँ पे दिए हुए ताजमहल, बिल्डिंग, रिवर, वुमेन, मनी, cat, singer, these are the words. So Taj Mahal is the name of the place. Taj Mahal is a place. Okay, so we will write in place column Taj Mahal. Okay, and then building is there. Building is thing. On the I'm going to provide you one more picture of the page, and you have to write their things and abstract ideas names. Okay, so things में क्या आएंगी? बिल्डिंग इज अ थिंग ना, तो बिल्डिंग थिंग में आएगी. ओके, उसके बाद क्या है? रिवर. रिवर कहाँ पे आएगी बताओ? रिवर आएगी थिंग में, क्योंकि रिवर भी एक चीज़ है. रिवर को हम नेम नहीं बोल सकते, रिवर को हम प्लेस भी नहीं बोल सकते, रिवर को हम एक्सट्रैक्ट आइडिया नहीं बोल सकते. तो रिवर क्या होगी? चीज़ है. रिवर एक थिंग है. ओके, देन आफ्टर रिवर वुमेन इज देयर. वुमेन इज अ नेम. As we consider man or mother or father, woman will be a person. So woman is a name. Okay. Then cat is a animal. So we will write in animal column. Column. So just like this, we have to write all the words in the different columns. Next, we will see